Hi, my name is Lucas. I'm the Director of Information Security in GRC. I'm here to tell you everything you need to know about ISO 27001. So let's break this down to pieces. ISO stands for International Organization for Standardization. ISO exists because it simplifies and it standardizes concepts and ideas internationally. The most interesting thing, at least to me, being a practitioner in the space, is just the breadth and how many standards ISO develops. There's an ISO standard for how to make proper tea. When you're selling tea in an international market, and let's remember tea at one point was a huge seller, to test tea, at one point somebody needed a consistent manner to guarantee that your tea was exactly the same everywhere. So there's an ISO standard for tea. In 1956, ISO came out with the standard for what is now recognized internationally in the world over, the shipping container. Prior to that, there was no standardized way to ship goods. Most products were shipped in a crate, in a box, in some manner thrown on a ship. So if everybody in the world knows how a shipping container, how it's shaped, how it's sized, everybody in the world can easier manage shipments as they come through their countries, their ports, and that was one of the biggest achievements of the ISO standard. So ISO 27001 2013 is the most recent version of the information security standard, so information security management standard. It defines on an international level the baselines for how we as a company protect customer data, how we manage our information security programs, processes as a company, and it also guarantees a bare minimum for protection, encryption, and security that we apply to all of our customers' data. High-level components of ISO 27001, information security management, change management, company processes around employees, HR processes, how we implement things like security, encryption, to make sure that not only we as a company do the right thing or the documented thing, but we stay ahead or on top of what the industry is doing as a whole. And it shows primarily a level of maturity and a willingness to dedicate the resources, time, energy to maintain those controls over time. The benefits of standards, really, it connects the global world. They create those connection points between technologies, processes, or anything, companies that may be independent and not connected, but at one point in the future may be looking for a way to connect with each other. But that was done in such a vacuum. There would, of course, been the Americans did, I mean, it was a secret project, so I don't want to say without standards there would have been no moon landing. It's a stretch.